Guys, today we're going to be installing our brand new 20-watt laser module on our xTool D1 Pro. Begin by unboxing the new module here. We currently have the 5-watt laser. Got an instruction manual here. Some parts there. Power cable. The laser. Open this up. See what we got. Tiny little screws there. Probably can't see them because the plastic isn't clear. The nozzle and whatnot for the air assist, which we don't have, but we definitely plan to get. Unbox the power cable here. There we are. And let's pull out the laser. Bad boy right there. Alright, we'll begin assembly by taking this plug here and putting it in the air assist port, because as I stated, we don't have air assist yet. Alright, next we'll screw the air assist port onto the laser module. There is going to be a tiny little piece of tape covering the threads there that you'll have to get off first. It's kind of a pain in the butt, not gonna lie. We'll just thread that right on there. Like so. You want to make sure it's a little snug, nothing crazy. Just like that though. Now to attach the new laser module, we're going to go ahead and remove the old one here. Start by unplugging it. Just like so. We'll back this screw out just a bit. Lift it off, just like so. Take the new one, put it on the same way that the old one came off. Tighten that down just a little bit. Don't get it too snug. Then we'll go ahead and plug in the new laser module. Just like so. Alright, now we need to detach this box from the power cable so that we can install the new one. We have the new one here. We'll just go ahead and plug that right in like so. Alright, once you get everything plugged back in, the laser is going to be ready to use again.